So at the beginning of the evidence engine, I talked about needing a scaffold or a template or something for reflection, and that was what was holding me back from reflecting regularly. And I honestly believed that. And over the course of the evidence engine, I did actually get that scaffold. But the other thing that I got was so much more important, and that was permission. So let me explain. When I was a kid, I got really good grades at school, and there was always some recognition when I brought home that report card. I was the first person in my family to go to uni, and my family celebrated at my graduation. Then I did an honours degree and a PhD, and again there were celebrations at graduations. And then I just started doing my job, and that was it. I just did my job. Until I decided to do a teaching degree, and lo and behold, another parchment, another celebration. So what's the next milestone for a graduate teacher? Proficiency. And I got that, and my assistant principal was so excited. And I never really saw the pattern before now. The celebration's always been for the piece of paper at the end. Never the process, never for just being. I just want to be. I want to be what I am. I want to be good at it most of the time, and sometimes maybe be a bit shit at it, but I just want to be a teacher. I feel like now I actually have the permission to just be a teacher, and that the reason I wasn't reflecting wasn't because I didn't have a template or a scaffold. It was because I felt guilty for not already moving towards that next thing. What I want most is to be a really great teacher. Not for certificates and recognition, but so that the students can have a really great education. What the evidence engine really gave me was the tools to continue to grow as a teacher without the need for the external validation. I have now a lens to objectively look at my practice and see places to celebrate without the bit of paper at the end. And I can also see places where I can continue to grow, which is just another excuse for celebration.